Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. We are certified and experienced detective about to educate you with facts and not hyperbole for the government or its minions. Today is Saturday, March 20th, 2022 at about 6 p.m. my time, and I welcome your listening ears to the channel. There's a video circulated on various social media platforms of police officers patrolling downtown Kingston, that's in Jamaica, and they are having an egoistic behavior. Yes, when I say egoistic, egoistic, uniform police officers with a detective. Man and the police officer. You understand? You know, the uniform police officers confronting a plainclothes police officer who's a detective. And I want you to watch the video in its entirety and listen it to the end and everything about this video, and you will learn something as a police officer. You understand? Um, it is really sad and heart wrenching. And the reason why I feel that way is because I am a former detective myself, and I have had experience similar situation, but not with uniform police, but with through special counsel. But I'll do that for another video. But I want you to listen to, I want you to watch this carefully. What happened there in Jamaica?
I'm calling you to my detective. I can't do nothing. I'm free. I catch you before everything starts.
Yes, man. So now that you have watched the video, you know, do you notice anything unusual about the Jamaican police officers' behavior? I'm talking about the uniform police officers. I will elaborate about it later on. And I want you to listen to the voice note of one of Jamaica's most fearless crime fighters, whose legacies live on to this day as the likes of Tony Wood. And his name is Leng, Noel Leng. Some people call him Red Leng. And he lives up to his name. The work that this man has done in Jamaica, everywhere that he has worked, there's no one that can dispute this man integrity, honesty, and decency. But politicians and political police can destroy your career, especially when they see you as a threat to their order and what they are doing. So I wanted to listen to what the noted detective experience Red Leng, his current name is Noel Leng. You understand? This is the same Leng who used to be at Spanish Town, Waterford, Linstead, Westmoreland. You understand? Hardworking police officer. I want you to listen to what he's saying about this. Just giving his honest rhetoric about police officers not having their ID. So tune in.
Yeah, General, hear me I say now. Hear me I say. And Barrington and all them and them. The local police was outnumbered, right? And they could have disarmed him easily. Because you have to get the firearm, If you don't believe him a police, the first thing you have to do is relieve him of the firearm. Because say that could have become dangerous. Right? So you take the firearm from him. If you ask him feet and he say no, you just suck on pan him and take away that from him easy. Because that's the problem, If he refuse to hand over the gun, Because if me not know him, and him say, boy, me a police, and I don't believe him. Remember say, me a suck on pan him. Or when me point my rifle in him face, with my finger on the trigger, and me say, look here, no move, put your hand in your ear, high. And me say to them, me squad them, take that. Yeah. You're not supposed to resist like that still, I tell you. Because if he understand, him go down and find himself in the same problem, where him see a man look suspicious away with a gun and he want to know who is the person and if illegal like that, So so he was outnumbered. So all I have to do is joke him, take the firearm, and say, all right, where your station, where your supervisor, where your superintendent, and make a call right away. And give me a description how we can do a station, the closest station and deal with the thing. And it's gonna easier. But and again, me know how some police behave, man. They will beat you up, Yeah, they will beat you up for doing something, They man, they will lick you down, man. Take all gun, but you lick you down the ground. And trample you. And then I know them forget you got a doctor. Because you see him, with them a roll up and going like them a roll flour. When I make dumpling, they have to carry a doctor. Must have to carry a doctor. Because the force that was used to really maybe apprehend him or if disarm him, he's gonna be injured automatically. So them have to carry him to a doctor. You know how they might deal with it afterward, but it's a sad situation and it look good. Me not like it neither too. It happened to me already, in St. Elizabeth, There's some police slip up on me, Yeah. And it not even was about identification. It wasn't about no identification. They flip up on me, I tell you, say, me and them end up down at Santa Cruz police station. But anyway, then let me go. Because when that boy take all the gun and juke me, say him shoot me, Tell him never see me have all a gun for me. I'm telling him, me a police and me have a gun for me. At the time, they run down for me, and suck on for me, And the corporal didn't say nothing, and I say, corporal, ease off the little man here for me, Me say, me a police, I'm working at Westmoreland. A town me a go. Because they stop the bus and I check the bus in Santa Cruz. And them say all who are bag going at the back of the bus must come round, they can identify them bag. The little youth now, one little police youth, he have a rifle. And he might take the rifle point and a jockey bag, And I say, officer, don't do that, man. My bag, that man, I me wrap up some conch and lobster and fish in there. I carry a town go give my girlfriend. He said, must move. I say, if you move from there and you see him and say, all who are bag come on, they can identify them bag. The man chuck me down, man. I tell you. But I just also end up at a station man, and me get injuries. I'm in a fight it, And even me did plan other things how to deal with it my way, Because especially one of them couldn't catch him easily, Yeah. I couldn't catch him easily, and deal with it my way, And the time I did Mr. Freighter down there Westmoreland, and I talked to Freighter, and Freighter said, Len, by then they here, man, and you get yourself in trouble. Just avoid it. Because they won't tell lie on you. Yeah. I then they call me to come give statement and something, and I say, yo, look, I don't love it here, man. Love it. No bother with it. Me take me little bruise up on the school, I say go. Yeah, and me just take a little bruise up, and one night I come from town with one load of cement. 800 bag of cement, I come down. Yeah, man, I when we reach just out of Santa Cruz, I want police, I want light me see a flash behind me. I pull over. And I'm looking at, say, when I see him police. And then so my boss was going and I say, yeah man, everything cool. I come from town there. I say, I see a truck driver, man. I work still. I say, yeah man. So he asked me a food truck. So I say, my truck man. Draw some cement go down Westmoreland there. And he said, yeah, police out to me now. So what go on? So what you can do for me? Yeah man, he asked me what I can do for you, man. I mean just say, you look out. Yo, here. Go on a drink, man. Everything cool, man. No you bother about think about them. Everything cool, man. Don't worry about them. Yeah, But boy, that one in the public did really bad for you. But let me say, you couldn't deal with different children. I mean, know some police here because I mean, go out there with the pan block and stop police and an ID, And the way how they behave, If you say, but then drive one piece of bat and lick him down the ground, Yeah, some of them don't want nobody search them and all them. So you have to give and take, You have to give and take, Remember, say we used to out there and we used to encounter a whole heap of thing. And some me used to do a whole heap of spot check. Even me run apps. And you buck up on some man and you say my police. And we how them behave. My intention of just give him one lick and lick him a ground. And take away a gun. Just simple call me and say, yo, that police now, say I work at Trelawney. The man I work at Ultra Spring or what they call it and talk to you, one way and easy. But some of them you can't even talk to them, man, because them are police. And some upon the other hand, you have some police where
Yes,
you know how to
my
deal with
loyal viewers
situation,
and subscribers. Now that you have listened to the
when
learned detective,
some police
Inspector
just
Noel
talk
Lang,
and
give his
fool me
take
and tell them
about the matter and his previous experience
but I didn't just
in
cool down
similar
and take him
situation in
take
which
him like a beat up.
police officers even
And
assaulted
just
him
call it a day.
physically and all stuff like
Because
that
he could have happened to
during
him
his
too.
career. And
That him fitting us,
as we
it could
said
have
that he
happened to
let
him too.
bygones were
Anyway, take
bygones.
care, yeah, man.
But I can tell you that the hatred for detectives by uniformed police officers are evident in this video. The reason why I'm saying the same is that detectives are the ones who at times set up stings and various operations to catch to catch uniformed police officers collecting money from civilians. That these uniformed police officers are the ones who are out there collecting bribes and all kind of stuff, doing shenanigans out there, and give the police force bad name. So a lot of you have to understand now, a lot of criminals in the police force, So this is charged now, to rough up a detective and treat him with disdain. And you can see what they has done, You have to understand, it's one idiot that started it, and one fool makes many. You understand? One fool police officer makes many. And that is what happened in this situation. You understand? You know, and honestly, I I am ashamed of the uniformed police officers' behavior, of the treatment meted out to the detective. And the reason why I felt that way personally because I was a detective. You understand? You know, I have spent 17 years, 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days in the police force. You understand? And I really, really feel embarrassed for the detective the way that they demand on them. You understand? There are so many things that these uniformed police officers could have done to de-escalate the situation by doing the following, especially in the age of technology in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. You understand? The actions are embarrassing, unprofessional, disrespectful, foolhardy, and the way they treated the detective in the public domain. First, the uniform police. First, the identity of the policeman's regulation number, rank, name, police division, and station where he is working. Or if he is on leave to get that information. All these police officers have to do use the portable radio. Now they have police have telephone. You understand? They have cell phone that they can call 119 and call control. You understand? So that they can be patched to this policeman station. In case a lot of people do not know. You can call control and ask control to patch it to a number. And they just patch it to a number. That the police don't even know that, That exists in the police force. You understand? So they could have done that. Contact his police station to identify the policeman. While he's standing there without creating this commotion, you understand? And behaving like some little corrosion. You understand? Unprofessional police officers. You understand? So that's all they have to do. There are so many ways to identify the detective and establish his identity as a detective instead of causing a commotion and unnecessary embarrassment to the detective and exposing some of these police officers who are out there patrolling the communities need needs more hands-on training in communication one-on-one because they are behaving as if they are illiterate, idiotic, and zealots. These police officers did not show any form of professionalism in, in dealing with one of their colleagues. You understand? The sub officer who's in charge of these hyenas. Yes, when I say hyenas, they are like dogs that have rabies with their mouth dripping. You understand the way that they treated the detective? You know, they are quick to bite. The police officer should have intervened. The sub officer should have intervened and calmed down the situation because you can see that these are not fully trained police officers at all. These police officers, they don't behave like professional police officers. They behave like hooligans. The way that they treated these police officers. You understand? All they have to do, contact police control and advise of the situation at hand, or use your police sense and analyze the situation. Because gunmen are not going to let any police officers come anywhere near them without pulling their guns and firing at the police officers. And I know that this man, this detective, must have seen these police officers nearby. They're supposed to know how police officers walk, the police officers gait, the terminology, and all those things. We are what these police officers are not fully trained anymore, so they are just idiots. They just going like they're going to college. Yeah, yeah, they're not fully trained. These police officers are not fully trained in Jamaica. Police officers must be vigilant, smart, and able to treat their colleagues and stop being zealots, idiots, arrogant, and gods. There is a golden rule that I've imparted to us as police officers at the Jamaican Police Academy when I was there in 1988. It says once a police, twice a civilian. So these idiot police officers that treated this detective this way, just remember, that today you're a police and tomorrow you're a civilian. I know two police officers who I've worked with who used to behave like gods. They have contributed to the deaths of several police officers indirectly, to these police officers losing their lives because these are two corrupt police officers. They are retired ACP Derek Clappy, Arsmouth, Cowboy Knight, and Detective Inspector Donovan Ox, one of the O'Connor, who used to be as if they were born police officers and would be police officers forever. Where are they now? These men, they're retired and they're not police. They have no powers anymore as being police officers. They're retired. So that goes to show you that once a police officer, twice a civilian. You won't be police officer forever. Police officers must remember that you must treat your matty. That's what they used to tell us at training school. Treat your matty and the public as you want others to treat you and your family. The next video I'm going to release is my experience of police officers wanting to disarm me and what happened. Thanks for watching the Jamaica Young Police channel. Please remember to like and share the video with others. Select the bell so that you are on the VIP list. Yeah, you're special, you understand? And comment below. Peace, one love to you, and all the best. Respect. And police officer, remember man, once a police, twice a civilian. Treat your fellow colleague with respect. Maximum respect. Cool.